Hello guys, this is Jimmy, and this channel is just going to be about me showing my progress on trading and how I've been doing. So this is my first day of trading. This is like the first day of me actually making like money moves and actual analysis on the market and creating analysis to help me understand what's going on in the market. And if you guys want to learn how to do any of this stuff, leave a comment down below letting me know like what you guys need to learn. Otherwise, I'm just going to get in the video. Subscribe if any of this stuff interests you. So what happened yesterday was so Apple, let's get in the day view. It was right here. This is what happened yesterday, this little point. So if you go to the 1 hour graph, this shows today right up here. This was yesterday. Now what happened yesterday? Apple felt like they weren't going to get enough revenue, so all the stocks went down. Literally everything went down like 300 points in the Dow. Yeah, the Dow Jones, what did it go down? Yeah, 300 points. Today went up 800 points. So we can expect for Monday that the market will go down because people are going to sell off. But for right now, if we believe that it's going to go up, it's above the 9-day, then it may come down, bounce off the 9-day, then come back up. Might hit like one of these. Might come down here, stop, and then bounce up. It's because this will be hitting the moving average. This is the support line. Here's the second support line. So if I was going to put a stop loss, it'd be right about here. Because we don't want it to go lower than this. It would come even farther down, break this. But Roku, we sold it off at 31.25 today because I had a stop loss right. Where was it? It was right here. I had a stop loss right here. So like beginning of the day, was at 10 o'clock that happened. So it sold, but it went up, kept going. This stock I kept. This stock's been doing pretty good lately. It's up 90% of what I had it. Microsoft went up. We want Microsoft to. So we'll look at this in the 1 day. We might want Microsoft to keep going up. It's really hard to read. 1 day, probably not. We're gonna look at the 1 week. So yeah, what's going on here with Microsoft? We got a moving average. It's going up. It broke through the 9-day, broke through the 26-day. Best way to look at this would be through the 1 month to see the trend going on here. So it did actually break through the 9-day moving average. So we can expect this to tank down here. Because it did break the moving average. But if we do look at the weekly, let's go ahead and delete that line. It shows that it's probably going to hit off the cloud. This is like the last support line before it goes in the cloud. And then if it does break the cloud, it could go all the way down to like 93, 94. But if it doesn't, it's like hitting it. Kind of broke through. This time it stopped right there at the cloud. I don't know if you guys see that here. Show you. See it, like it stopped right here. So that what we see now is there's going to be a bounce right off the cloud, and it could hit about 6 or 7, 107. So we'll look for like a pullback right here, like a stop loss right there. You guys know what I'm talking about. These are my stocks. I'll just go to my home. I'll show you. It's I've had that one for a while, so I'm just going to keep that. But We're looking for a 104 call on Microsoft and ACBI. This is for March, so I'm just waiting on this one. And this one is for the whole year. If you guys don't know about Bank of America, I would call it for at least 30, maybe 35. I believe that it's going to go up for next year, guys. So if you didn't call that yet, make sure you do a call. And if you guys don't know how to call, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video on it showing you guys. But otherwise, this stuff is just literally for me, like just so I can go back and reference what happened throughout the days. So yeah, this is January 4th. Made a total of $162. Halfway through the day, this was the peak. Here, where was it? It was 1 o'clock, 1:10. It peaked. It was up 35%, and then for the rest of the day, it kind of went down. But we're still up a good $160. All right. So looking at this market for next week, what we'll see is it may drop down Monday and Tuesday, probably like 97 again. And if it breaks 97, then we'll see a 91 drop. But I'm pretty sure it's not going to be dropping that far down, guys. So if we do see, if you're going to put your stop loss anywhere, put it between $97 and $100. And then we'll see a bounce later in the week, Thursday or Friday probably. It'll be going up to 106, 107. That's what I'm seeing on that. All right, let's look at Delta Airlines. Yeah, I'm not actually doing anything with those. PayPal, we see with PayPal, it is breaking the cloud. So what we can expect for PayPal to happen now is it will go down. Oh, wait, hold on. I did not see this line. Okay, it broke the cloud, but then it came back up, so it's going to do a bounce off the cloud, so we could see it in this range right here. You see these lines? The trend will be going up through 86. So next week, probably nothing's going to be going on with PayPal. Let's see, Amazon. Amazon's breaking the cloud, so we'll see probably a stop right around here, 1400. If it go down, and then we'll see a bounce. It'll go up throughout the months of March. So you guys look for that. This is a what is it? I can never think which one it is, bullish or bearish trend. Pretty sure this is a bullish trend. It's going up. So yeah, you guys gotta look for that. Let's see what's going on with this one. If you're gonna look at Newegg Beverage, since this is a new stock, here I'll show you. I like to back this up a little bit. Since this is a new stock, it just came out in 2016. We got that much data of it. You're gonna want to look at this in the 1 day or the 1 week. But to look for the trends, guys, you do want to go all the way to the month to check out the trend, and the trend is a positive trend, which is good, but it's what we're looking at is above the cloud, so it could go right back down. Oh, right. AMD, what are we looking at for AMD, boys? Alright, so what AMD is, if you guys haven't noticed, AMD is bouncing off the 9-day, like all the way through. It's bouncing off the 9-day. What are we looking at? We're looking at the day range too. So we can see it's just AMD is just going to go gradually, but it will be moving up, as we can see. Actually, we're looking at the 1 day, so sorry about that. Yeah, it will be moving up. Let's see, I gotta zoom in for this. So it did just bounce off the 26 day, so we could see, since it already fell through, yeah, since it fell through already, did it? I don't know, we saw We see a hammer. Okay, the upside down hammer. So we could see it go down like this, hit this, and then go up. Sorry guys, I'm handling with one arm right now. All right, we could see it drop down into the 15, but then when we do see that, it will bounce up, like literally all the way up to the 23. So I would go for a call right around here, boys. Probably at the end of this one. So like a $17 call to a yeah, 17 to probably like a 15.50 call, and then I could see it gradually go up by March to like $23 a share. Yeah, boys. So let's look at the S&P 500. Let's see what this is happening. We're just gonna look for the monthly trend of it. Let's zoom out of this. So the monthly trend, we do see that it is going up. It's going up, drops down, goes up, drop down. Well, it did break the support line, guys, so we could see this just go down to like 230. Again, this is like a 60% chance that this happens since it did break the support line. What are we looking at? No, I'd probably look for it right around here. So look for it for like 210 to around 230. If you're just gonna go for a buy, somewhere in between there. Look for a buy. Let's see, is this the right thing? No. Okay. Let's delete that. Alright. What else we're looking at? We want to look at the Dow Jones. Okay, what do we see here? Okay, so it is hitting the 26-day, guys. So see, it kind of breaks through, then it bounces back up. It's going up. So what we can see here at the Dow Jones is that it did break through, but when we see the next pivot point, it does make it on top of the 26-day. So what we can see right now is a trend of it going back up, guys. So I would look around, a buy. Like if you're going to open up tomorrow, I'd look for a buy around right here. And then like a stop loss right there. Because you don't want to lose too much money, guys. So maybe put like a 2% stop loss in there. And then for like a breaking point, I would literally go for like way up here, like 27. If we're looking at like June or something, like if you guys are gonna hold it like literally this high up. But if we go to the weekly, let's check it out. What we see is it did break the cloud. This is just a bad angle. You can't really tell what's going on. You only can tell in the monthly. What is this? Yeah, so like the lowest point, 21. Okay. This is what we can see it by here. We can see that the daily is a bullish, but if the monthly, you want to keep going with it. Let's see. Yeah, we could see this going up though. You can see this going up to like right around here. So look for these trend lines, guys. If you don't understand trend lines, let me know in the comments. But this is literally just for me, so this is like helping me figure out what's going to happen Monday, so what trades I should put in. Let's see, this is... Okay, if you're looking at currencies, though, you want to look for the 4-hour or the 1-day. This is the only way that you're actually going to know, like, where to place your bets. And then to see the monthly trend, what you want to do is go to the monthly. And what we can see is a negative trend, so it will be going down. Weekly's negative. The daily's even negative. What's the 4-hour? Okay, the 4-hour is positive, so look at this. Look at this. Look at these trend lines, boys. It's like straight down. Okay. How did I do that? Oh, okay, I didn't know I could do that. And if you guys are going to buy on one of these trades, what you need to do is go in on the second candle always. So see how it went down, and then you see another candle forming. Once it gets about here, you buy in it, and then you let it ride. And you see how it equally went up. Like, it went up a little bit, but not enough. Keeps riding, keeps riding. You sell. You know, you don't sell right here because you don't know. But once as this thing gradually comes back up, you sell it right there. It's got to be a little watch, click and go. And then you see this. It comes all the way back down. I put a buy in right here, guys. And then it's going to come all the way back up. Go here, and then I would probably sell it around here because I wouldn't know. And then we just keep going up and up and up and up. Alright, guys, so let's see what I got on here. Apple, if you guys are looking to buy Apple, yeah, I wouldn't. Just no. It's a horrible idea. It's in a bearish trend. It's going down. It broke this support, so we'll see somewhere around here, like 122 to maybe 130. If you guys are looking to buy. Oh, wait, hold on. No, actually. Probably 110, maybe. I honestly think this is going to go all the way down to like 110, 120. So, but those are all my thoughts on this, guys, on the market for today. If you guys are looking to buy something, pick up a stock, I recommend to buy this stock right here. They just did a few things on the company to get it better, and I think that this one's a buy. Also, if you guys are looking to have lots of gains this 2019, this is also a buy. I project this one will go up to $9 a share. This is a buy, boys, right here. Alright, New Age Beverages, it's a buy. But yep, those are my tips and tricks and maybe just helpful hints to the stock market coming this Monday. And yep, later, guys, later.